How to share music in Instagram DMs. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how you can share the music in Instagram DM. So first of all, you'll have to open the Instagram app, and from here you'll have to go for your inbox, and from here you'll have to choose the conversation where you want to share the music, or you can create the new conversation. So I'm clicking on this old conversation, and from here you'll have to click on this sticker option. So simply click on it, and here you got the options like music. So simply click on this music icon, and from here you can see a lots of music are available for sharing options. So you can simply review it by playing the demo and send it to your friends. So once you have chosen the music to share with your friends, simply click on that music. As you can see, the music has been shared to my friend. As you can see, it is shared with a sticker. So let me show you a demo how it works. Okay, so likewise, you can also share the music on Instagram DMs. So it is the easiest method to share the music on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.